All right, let's launch into the edit first before we talk about other stuff. On October 31st, 1864, Nevada became the 36th U.S. state. With more than 100,000 square miles of land, it is the 7th largest state. Have you heard of Las Vegas? Sorry, have you heard of Las Vegas? Exclamation point. While it is the largest city in Nevada by population, Carson City is the state capital. The state's natural features include large lakes, the Colorado River, and high peaks. In fact, Nevada's name comes from a Spanish word meaning snowcapped. All right, Morgan, what do we need to fix?
On the other end of snowcapped.
Closing quotes, yeah. Bianca?
Instead of exclamation mark on Las Vegas, it's more a question.
Yes, yes. My yelling was a bit unnecessary.
Yeah, you don't want to make every student's deaf.
I'll try harder next time.
Or keep the volume down.
What else do we need to fix, Aurora? Did you find anything else?
No.
Cohen?
Why am I blanking on it? I forget the name of the little thingy at the bottom of the lid. Why the heck am I forgetting this? Yes, the comma, thank you.
Okay.
We can do it to the 31st.
Right, a comma between the date and the year. Marielle? It is the 7th TH largest state. Brady? I can. Ashton?
Shouldn't there be a comma in between 100,000?
Yeah, we need a comma to break this number up, to make it actually readable, right? Because otherwise it's rather difficult to count those zeros. So in physics and some mathematical applications, it's fine to just leave a space instead of a comma. In paragraph writing, use the comma to separate, every third zero. What else, John?
City after Carson is being capitalized because it's part of the name.
Yeah, Carson City, part of the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just looking to see what I can find here. We're waiting for Brady to find one, and I'm finding them in the meantime. There's 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay, I got him. All right, Cohen, you can help him out.
Okay, question.
Mhm.
A Spanish word meaning snow-capped. Spanish, I don't think that needs to be uppercased.
We do actually capitalize the names of languages. Yeah. But it's a bit of a finicky rule because in French, for example, they don't capitalize the names of languages. They capitalize countries, but not languages or nationalities. In English, we capitalize languages and nationalities. Languages all deal with that in a different way, but we do capitalize it. I'm trying to remember whether Spanish would capitalize Español, and I can't remember what the rule would be for that, but it varies anyways. What else do you guys see?
Then should be than because you're comparing.
Yep, more than. And if you ever find yourself hesitating over which it should be, whether it should be then or than, I've got a trick for you. And I'm quite proud of this. I invented it myself, at least as far as I know I did. Mario, you look skeptical. I'm telling you, this is good. This is quality content right here. So, then is for time, right? Now and then. Then is for comparison. Larger than, smaller than, etc. So the only difference is that vowel. There you go. Voila. So the A in then tells you it's comparison. The E in then tells you that it's time. You guys don't look as impressed with that as I am. Thank you. Yeah, I thought it was pretty good. It does work though, because every now and then, see what I did there? Every now and then, even I hesitate to make sure that I'm using the right one. So that gives us 7, I think. Yes. What else do you guys see? Throwing it out to the floor. Yep, peaks is P-E-A-K-S. That's 8. Aurora, you're not trying.
That's all I got. Wait for
Well, I know, but we're looking for the other ones now.
good.
Is large lakes supposed to have an apostrophe?
It is not. It is not. Large lakes does not have an apostrophe. So if you remember, I don't know if it helps you, but so apostrophes are for possessives, not plurals, right? So, but if it helps you to think about it, anytime that there's an apostrophe on a noun like this, it's got to be followed, the next word has to be something that belongs to the lake. So here we have a comma. So that is obviously wrong. But even if we didn't have a comma there, we would have to then consider, so the counter example, the state's natural features, here we've got an apostrophe S, and you see it's followed by the apostrophe you can almost think of as something that's indicating something's going to come. Natural features are something that belongs to the state. Right? So that apostrophe S attaches what's going to come after. Here there's nothing that comes after. There's a comma, which is a break. So we know that it's plural. Although it would be weird if it included one large natural lake. Okay, so that is 9 maybe? 3, 6, 9, yes. And I've already forgotten what the last one was. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. Do you need a hint? I feel like you might need a hint. Okay, it's a missing comma.
After 1864.
Thank you, John. After 1864, there should be a comma. You can think of, in dates, you can think of the year being extra information about the date. The same as we had last week, or whenever the last time was that we met. Let's see. I think there's an example right here. Right, the same as we had his son, comma, Lincoln, comma. Right? Extra information about his son. It's the same thing with the year following a date. You need commas before and after it. All right. Anything else in there that interests you or confuses you? All right.